Happy Monday, happy September, and happy Labor Day. Today's devotional, How Your Faith Can Produce Results, Part 1 of 4. Faith is the confident assurance that something we want is going to happen. Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1, the Living Bible. Faith has little to do with religion or what church you attend. The Greek definition of the word faith is pistis, which means a firm persuasion, a conviction based on hearing and learning. Some other words that help to define faith are trust, confidence, and believing. And for good measure, here are a few scriptural definitions or descriptions of faith. Hebrews chapter 11, verse 1, the Living Bible, the confident assurance that something we want is going to happen. The certainty that what we hope for is waiting for us, even though we cannot see it up ahead. The Bible goes on to tell us in verse 6 of Hebrews chapter 11, without faith it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who earnestly seek him. It also tells us in Romans chapter 10, verse 17, the New International Version, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ. And the Apostle James writes in James chapter 2, verse 17, the New International Version, faith, not accompanied by action, is dead. Faith, though it may be felt, isn't a feeling at all. The fact is, you can have faith and feel nothing, and you can feel nothing and still have faith. Nor is it related to intellectual or theological knowledge. Your IQ and level of education have nothing to do with your capacity to exercise faith. Effective faith calls for an act of your will. It's a choice you make to fully embrace what God says in His Word. When that happens, it creates a heart climate that motivates you to act in keeping with what you choose to believe. Now that's faith in a nutshell. Have a blessed day.